Ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng condominium within Metro Manila lang pero ang vibes ay parang nasa province ka lang? Maaliwalas ang paligid at hindi pa crowded. Maluwag ang open space. We have Field Residences beside SM Sukat, Parañaque. Walking distance lang siya sa mall. Pag may bibilin ka at gusto mong kumain sa restaurant, mag-shopping, lalakarin mo lang. Hindi ka na matatraffic. With one-stop shop, everything you need is within reach. May banks, may supermarket, restaurant, coffee shop, salon, boutique, at marami pang iba. Malapit rin ito sa mga sakayan. Merong bus, jeepney, UB Express, Grab, taxi, 24 hours. Secured din ang area. Merong mga security guard. Malapit din ito sa mga schools kagaya ng PATS College of Aeronautics, Olivares College, and Eurocampus School. Sa hospitals naman, ang malapit dito is Olivares Hospital, Our Lady of Peace Hospital, Parañaque Community Hospital, and Las Piñas Doctors. Malapit din ito sa mga church. As you can see naman, napakalawak ng open field dito sa Field Residences. Kung health enthusiast ka, mai-enjoy mo talaga dito. Pwede kang mag-jogging. Meron kaming basketball court, gym, volleyball court, kids play area for your kids, Olympic-size swimming pool for adult, and kids swimming pool na talagang may enjoy ng family, friends, and future tenants. Open rin siya for Airbnb business, mapa long term man yan or staycation. Malapit rin ito sa airport in just 10 minutes away. Makakapili ka pa ng unit na gusto mo. We have 2-bedroom unit with balcony sa Tower 6 with flexible payment term na pagpipilian. And we offer rent-to-own promo. Once na-reach mo na yung 2 months monthly amortization at nakapag-down payment ka na, you will be eligible for turnover. Reason to invest in. Meron kaming rent-to-own promo, meaning hindi ka pa fully paid, pwede mo nang matirhan yung property for as low as 5% down payment and meron ka pang 2 years to pay na zero interest kay developer. Hindi ka pa agad magbabank financing. Lifetime ownership na rin siya, meaning maipapamana mo pa siya sa next generation. We have complete set of amenities na nakikita nyo. May enjoy ito ng mga upcoming unit owners, tenants, and friends. Open din siya for Airbnb business na parang hotel concept. Pwede mong pagkakitaan yung unit mo. 7.8 hectare development itong Field Residences with mid-rise building. Hindi siya ganun kataas. Ang ganda nga nung open field nitong project na ito is isa ito sa pinaka gusto kong ibenta sa SMDC kasi pang personal use talaga yung ambience din dito na mai-enjoy ng mga future unit owner at mga nakatira na dito sa Field Residences. Maaliwalas siya, malinis yung hangin at hindi pa siya crowded. Meron ka pang open view dito sa Field Residences na mapipil mo talaga yung province na vibes na hindi stressful yung ambience. Maganda rin dito talaga sa Field Residences. Ngayon, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung sample model units namin dito sa Field Residences for 2-bedroom units. Great day everyone! Ipapasilip ko naman sa inyo yung showroom namin dito sa Field Residences. This unit is 2-bedroom with balcony. This is the kitchen. Meron siyang lower cabinet. Ang ganda ng unit layout dito sa Tower 6 ng Field Residences. Ito yung isa sa paborito kong ibenta, Field Residences. Tower 6, 2-bedroom unit. And dadagdagan nyo na lang dito ng upper side cabinet. And ito naman yung toilet area. Ayan. Maluwang yung toilet dito. Kasya din yung tablet washing machine. Ayan. Pwede rin lagyan dito ng shower enclosure. Kasama na itong shower natin. Lalagyan mo na lang ng water heater. Ayan. Let's proceed na dito sa living area. This is the living area. Marami ka pang pwedeng ilagay dito para ma-maximize yung space. And this is the view na basic amenity sa balcony. Dito naman nilalagay yung split type aircon. Dito naman yung ating living area. And let's proceed na sa master bedroom. Yan, meron siya dito, bintana, AC amenity, and dito naman siya yung window type aircon. Ayan. And ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung bedroom 2. This is a bedroom 2 na siya. Ayan. Pa rin yung lamig. Lagyan nyo na lang dito ng fan light, yung mayroong electric fan, humihigop ng lamig. So, ito. And papakita ko naman sa inyo yung dressing room. This is the dressing room. Kitchen area. Ayan, nilagyan na rin siya ng upper-side cabinet. And ipapakita mo naman sa inyo yung toilet. Ang ganda ng design, diba? This is the living area. Tingnan nyo yung bedroom. Ang ganda ng pagkagawa. Double size bed. Ang ganda. Tapos dito kasya pa yung cabinet. Ilagyan din siya ng wallpaper. Ano? Tignan nyo naman yung master bedroom. Ito yung master bedroom. Cabinet. And this is single bed. Pero hanggang double size bed kasya dito. Then this is the window. And yung ating window type aircon. Yan. And ito naman yung ating living area. Really tiny. Pwede namang iba yung decoration na ilalagay mo. This one lang to give you an idea of the room. And this is the balcony. If you want to avail a unit here in Field Residences, contact me here in my Viber or WhatsApp. Again guys, this is Ed's Realty Guide PH. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and see you from the next vlog.